Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Today, we're actually going to talk about the dangerous Bitcoin pattern. Okay, so make sure you watch this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. Okay, I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday and also swing trade cryptos. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I only look at the charts. I make my decisions based on the charts. Okay, so definitely, if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of just, you know, hodling and not really making consistent money, okay, this channel is for you. Okay, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, you can actually speed up the video by hitting 1.5 or 2 on the speed button on the settings. Okay, and also if you're watching that replay, go check out my new crypto course, Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0 is the first link in the description. Go check that out. It will help you and show you how you are able to actually make money now in the markets. Okay, that's what I specialize in, guys. I specialize in making money now. All right, I don't care about 5-10 years down the road. Making money now to me is very important. Okay, so that's why I specialize in. So if you want to learn about that, go check out that course. Let's go to the charts. Let's go to you guys. Let's see what's going on here. Let me pop out this chat. So let's go to the coin market cap first, right? We have Bitcoin and these other currencies down, okay, a lot today, double digits, some of them, or most of them, and we are seeing a pullback. We are below the $300 billion market cap. Okay, we are below that. The dominance is still growing, 65%, 65.5%. Okay, I told you guys I'm very bullish when it comes to the dominance. I believe we are going to continue to hit new highs, maybe go in the 70s. Okay, but if you look at the dominance, we basically are going up, and we are testing the recent or the previous highs from the Bitcoin dominance. So this right here what's the high right here? I believe it's around 67. Hold on, give me a second. I'm trying to. Come on, show me. For some reason, not showing me, but I believe it's around 65-ish, 66. So we are testing that right now. All right. I believe we're probably gonna go a little bit higher, maybe 67, before we pull back a little bit, but that's what we're looking at right now, guys. The market is pulling back nicely, and I don't know if you remember, but I told you guys I'm looking for a new low when it comes to Bitcoin, right? When it comes to Bitcoin, I'm looking for another low. Now, let me see how many people's in this building. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. If you guys have any questions, type it in, of course. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to my channel. So let's go to the charts right now. So let's go to the 4-hour, and let's see what we are looking at right now. Let's see what do we see on this chart right here. So let me zoom in. Let me zoom out. Okay, so basically we are seeing sellers coming in, right? It looks like we are going to target this low. Okay, and we talked about this before. Could this be a possible inverse head and shoulders? Hold on. Oops. Right here where we have a left, a head. I don't, me personally, I don't think so, because if you look at these other cryptocurrencies, I will explain later, but I don't think that inverse head and shoulders will play out, right? So basically, what are we looking at, guys? Well, if you've been following me for the longest, I've been talking about the back of the triangle, okay? Let's go to the daily chart. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Let's back this out. The back of this triangle, this big triangle right here, guys. This big triangle right here. I was talking about this for the longest. I was saying that that is really the area where sellers most likely is going to come in. Okay, we are going to have a lot of resistance around that area. Okay, sure enough, we went above this triangle, and sellers came in. So now we are at a critical level. Okay, a critical level right here, right? And sellers came in a lot at this level. Okay, so if Bitcoin wants to continue to go up more or higher, we have to pass this level. So far, sellers are telling us that they don't want Bitcoin to go past this level. All right, this could be temporary, or this could be a sign of major selling. Okay, or a potential top. So you have to be aware of that, and you can't be one of those guys that say, "Nah, man, it's impossible for Bitcoin to turn around and go to 3,000." Okay, on my channel, guys, I try to help you guys realize the possibilities, the different scenarios, what could happen. So I do expect another low. Now let's go to Ethereum. Basically, Ethereum is laying it out. We create that new low already with Ethereum. Okay, and it looks like Ethereum is actually going for this low right here. Okay, and this is a perfect area to go to because this is a breakout right here. Right, the market loves to go back to these breakouts, stop these guys out. Now we have to see, okay, once they stop these guys out, can they find support? Okay, this is right now we are at a stage where, okay, a lot of your moon boys are going to start biting your nails. Okay, because we have to catch or find support at different levels. Okay, if we can't find support, it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to create new highs. We have to find support. Right now, this breakout right here is looking very suspect. They are looking to take out these lows right here. So most likely we will continue to go lower. Right now, if we go lower here, we might find temporary support. We have to see, okay, if they want to bring it down lower. Right? Litecoin, very suspect. Right? We made a new low right here, of course. Right? But look how we selling off like crazy. Now, most likely, the last breakout was around here. This breakout right here. So most likely they are going to probably target these guys right here, right? This breakout right here. So we most likely was going to go to these lows right here, this low right here. All right. So once they stop those guys out, we have to see if this market wants to find support somewhere, guys, right? Somewhere. Because if they do not find support, a lot of you guys are going to start biting your nails and trying to figure out what's going on, because your favorite YouTuber told you that this is the bull market, right? Your favorite YouTuber told you that this is the bull market. So we have to basically wait this out, right? I told you guys before my personal opinion about this whole up move. Okay, I told you guys before that I didn't believe that this was the bull market because, okay, we have to have more confirmation before we call this a bull market. Okay, why is that? Well, it's very simple, guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin, right? It's very simple. All right. We had a sell-off, okay? Sell-off right here, right? When we retrace from a sell-off, okay, there's different scenarios or different things could actually happen while we are going or pulling back, okay? While we are going back up. A couple of things can happen. We can go up, right? Stall out and go right back down to create new lows. That's a possibility. We can go up right here, find resistance and go right back down, or we can just say, you know what, this is a strong market and we want to create new highs, all right, and then we want to continue to go back up. Once you understand those possibilities, then you can, you know, understand or learn how to work around what's going on right now in front of your eyes. Okay, so right now, guys, we are seeing sellers coming in at a level where me personally, like I said, I don't know who you guys follow. Me personally, I have been talking about this level for the longest, right? Now, Bitcoin has to find support somewhere. I don't care where it's at. It has to find support. Once we find support, it has to create new highs. If it cannot create a new high, okay, then most likely we will continue to go lower. And you really don't want Bitcoin to continue to go lower, honestly. You really don't. Now, my personal opinion right now is, if you look at this breakout right here, right? You see this breakout, this big breakout right here, right? Well, if you go to Ethereum, right? Ethereum looks like it wants to go below their big breakout right here, right? So most likely, I see Bitcoin minimum going to that breakout, right? Now, if Ethereum goes, let's say Ethereum goes back to here, all right, which is the where we first started this big breakout right here, okay? If Ethereum skips this and goes straight down to here, okay, that's telling me it's a strong possibility Bitcoin will do the same thing, all right? Because Bitcoin big breakout, all right, was 3,000 right here. It was right here. This big breakout was right here. Ethereum is actually very close to that breakout. Now, our next breakout would be right here. So it'll be right here. So that level will be around 9,800. Okay, that's our next breakout level where most likely Bitcoin will go. Okay, we don't want Bitcoin to go all the way down to this area right here, right? We don't. Trust me, I heard a lot of YouTubers, especially this one particular one, I'm quite sure you guys know him. He said that if Bitcoin goes to 4K, he's going all in, right? Me personally, as a professional trader and professional investor, if I see Bitcoin going down that low, I wouldn't touch it at all. Okay? That's the danger zone right there. So well, not me, okay? The guys that went all in, or the guys that want the market to go up, all right? You guys have to hope that Bitcoin will hold support somewhere, either at this breakout, at this trend line, or this breakout, whatever the case is. Because if Bitcoin doesn't, and we continue to go lower, that's not a good sign, right? It's not, right? Now, another thing, let me show you guys something before I go to the questions, guys. Let me show you guys something real quick, right? I know some of you guys is calling this as a bull market, but if you look at this, guys, right? Only thing that's really going up is really Bitcoin. But if you look at this, if you measure this right here, so let's go to here. Let's measure this pullback, guys, from that high. So let's go and let's do a measurement right here, right? We take that, we go to the high, we go to this low right here, right? We only pulled back like 30-something percent, 35%. That's really nothing. So basically what I'm saying is we dropped all the way down from here, right? And we only pulled back 30-something percent. That's not a lot. Right? So where's this bull market? All right, so you have to be careful who you listen to. You know, me personally, I would tell you guys, learn how to read the charts. The charts will literally set you free. This is how I'm able to, guys. This is how I'm able to do this full time from home. Because I only look at the charts. I don't care about Litecoin having in, Bitcoin having in, CNN or CNBC or any crazy thing that will hype things up. I don't care about that. What is the chart telling me? That's what I want. I want to know what the chart is telling me, right? Besides Bitcoin, really, these other coins, let's go to Ethereum, really didn't pull back that much. All right, if you measure, let's measure Ethereum. Okay, let's go to Ethereum real quick. Let's measure this one, right, from the high, right, from this low right here. Ethereum is actually even worse. It didn't even get up to the 23%, right? How can you call this a bull market and we not even pulling back that much? All right, so I want you guys to calm down. Let's basically take this day by day, week by week, and figure out what's really going on. We have, for you guys that want the market to turn bullish, we have to find support somewhere, right? That's the only way this stuff will turn around. But right now, as we speak, this doesn't look good. And of course, it's not a bull market yet. All right, Bitcoin has to break the high in order for you to call it something. All right. So let me see if I see any questions here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me see here. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. And let me go through that. All right. Now let's look at XRP real quick before we even go to the questions. All right, XRP actually hit like 29 cents today, which is absolutely disgusting. Let me zoom in a little bit. I mean, it is looking like it wants to go to these lows right here, which is very interesting, right? All right, I think, this looks real weak right now. So I want to keep an eye on XRP because if XRP hits low right here, I want to see if it wants to find support around there, right? Now, let's see if I see any questions and we go from there. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, type it in. I have going on 12 years of experience trading these markets. So type in a question you have. Okay, I don't care what it is. Trust me, I'm not one of those guys that say, "Oh man, that's a stupid question." I'm not one of those guys. Whatever question you have, type it in. So let's go. What's going on, Jesus, Swazza? What's going on, bro? Tech, Najim. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. So let me see if I see any questions here. All right. Someone said BSV. What about it? What's going on with that? It's dumping. Okay, so basically, this was a decent breakout right here. So let's see if we find support around here. All right. All right, let's go back to these questions. Steve, hey Ben, thanks for your work. Yeah, no problem, bro. Shout out to you, Steve. What's going on, Butch? What's going on, guys? What's going on, Reed? Yeah, hit those likes. So as a remind me, yeah, hit those likes button, guys. All right. Your finger's not gonna fall off, so hit those likes, and I will get to you guys' questions. Let's go. Isn't this current level a support on ETH? Just wondering. Let's go. ETH. Well, right now, we are at a level where it can actually hold support, but it looks like they will go below this right here. And once we go below this, we have to see if they can actually find support right there. All right. We have to see if they can find support around here. But overall, another thing I wanted to look at was I think it was the EOS. Yes, look at EOS, man. This looks disgusting. It's breaking that trend line. It's selling off like crazy. You better hope that we can catch support somewhere around here. Let's go back to BTC. Depends on Bitcoin, yeah, Now, let's talk about, the dangerous pattern right now, okay? The dangerous pattern right now with Bitcoin right now is, number one, we are at resistance, okay? And number two, we actually made a double top at resistance. That pattern is really not good at all right now, okay? For anybody that wants to go long. Now, can you still go long? Of course. I mean, if I was trading this like, hardcore, if I see a long setup, I would still test that long out to see if it works. Okay. But for, this overview and looking at this pattern, it doesn't look good right now. Okay. Double top, sellers coming in a lot. Okay. We have to see if they want to find support, maybe at the trend line, maybe at this this breakout right here. All right. Let me see here. I'm gonna go back to these questions. Machine said, I told you guys crash will be coming. Well, we haven't crashed yet, okay, but we are selling off a lot, all right? We are selling off a lot. So if you look at the weekly, guys, let's look at the weekly real quick. Basically, the weekly looks ugly. Let's be honest with ourselves, guys. This weekly, and we talked about this on my last live stream, okay? I talked about this, guys. I was like, listen, we have two weekly bars that basically was green, right? Let's look at this, guys. This bar right here was green. And this wasn't a regular green. It was a huge green bar. And we went right back down. This bar right here, again, a nice green bar. Went right back down. So, me personally, I'm guessing that we are going to finally have a red week probably next week. Okay, it's a possibility we can have a red week next week because we really didn't have a decent red week. Okay, in a long time. I wouldn't call these red weeks because we actually started off green and then we turned red. Started off green, turned red. So I'm talking about officially red week where we just start off red and continue to go red. If that's the case, most likely we will continue to go down and maybe hit that 89 mark. All right. Let me go back to these questions here. My friend, I bought 5 different. he invested his relative's money. I was trying to tell him that this is not the best option available. Now she's starting to listen to me. Yeah, shout out to your friend Butch. You know, I mean, you really don't want to, especially when it comes to crypto. You know, gamble with your friends or family money unless you know what you're doing. You said Bitfinex already printed 5 billion worth of Tether. I didn't. Yeah, I heard about that. I heard about that, bro. And I heard about that. XRP looks sad, man. It does. XRP looks sad. All right. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this full time from home, check out my new course, Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. It will help you out. It will help you navigate the markets. Let me give you guys that discount real quick on a live stream. This is only live stream discount. Here it goes. All right. And this course will basically show you how to make money now from the markets. That's what I specialize in. So here's that link for you guys. All right. If you want to learn how, you know, me and my students, you know, loving this laptop lifestyle, making money from my laptops, okay? You can go anywhere around the world. Well, you got to learn how to read the charts, okay? There's no way in the world I can actually do that by just hodling. Like hodling, I would never ever make hodling my main strategy because it will never give me consistent gains, all right? It can't give you consistent gains because it's not really designed to give you consistent gains, especially if you're dealing with you know, cryptocurrencies, a market that is very volatile. One day is up, one day is down. So if you really want to understand how to get that consistent gains, you have to learn how to read the charts. So check that course out, and it will show you how to do that. No matter if Bitcoin is going up or down. Actually, let me read you something because I remember a guy was saying, let me see. What is this thing that I know I wrote it down somewhere. Yeah, a guy was saying this. I was reading this in I forgot what video was this. He said, I'm not a trader. I don't have time to watch the chart. I'm a single parent of a 5-year-old. I have a full-time job. But I know Bitcoin is going sky high in the next 5 to 10 years. And first of all, guys, you don't have to be at the chart 24/7. Okay, you don't have to be at the chart 24/7. If you have a job, a 9 to 5, you can still swing trade and make money. Okay. For that person that basically made that comment, if he had time to type that and look at the video, okay, that means you have time to make money in the crypto market, okay, by swing trading, right? It's that simple. You don't have to you don't have to look at the charts 24/7, okay? You can open a 4-hour chart, which is right here in front of you. You look to see if you have a setup. It only takes no more than, once you understand how to read this stuff, no more than 2 minutes, right? If I pop open this chart right here, I can see automatically I don't have a long setup right now, okay? And then I close it. It only takes no more than a minute to recognize that, okay? So you do have time. Anybody that's watching this and you feel like you don't have time, you do have time, trust me, right? Just stop being lazy, stop having all excuses, right? And the next thing he said is, I know Bitcoin is going to go sky high in the next 5 to 10 years. Guys, stop saying that you know. You don't know that, right? You want it to go, all right? You hope it goes, all right? I hope it goes up too for you guys, help you guys out, but you don't know that for a fact. So stop saying that you know. You don't know nothing, all right? This is why trading allows you to get those short-term gains. So Bitcoin is going up short-term, right? you can get these short-term gains. Grab some money, put it in your pocket, right? Stack up your money more and more, and you can also hodl if you want to on the side, but you have to have multiple strategies, okay? Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice, right? This is entertainment only. So let me go to some questions. Let me see if I see anything here. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Is it possible for Bitcoin to reach 8K? Yes, very possible. It's very possible for Bitcoin to reach 6K. Is it going to happen in 1 week? No. Most likely it's going to happen, maybe a month or two. Who knows? You said we're CME gaps. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, it can fill those gaps. What's going on, GR8? Where you been at, bro? XRP is the worst performing coin. I don't get it. It's supposed to be a savior of the world. Lennon, are you in XRP right now? Well, it's nothing to get, bro. Okay, it's nothing to get. Only thing you have to get is that this is a market where prices goes up and down. Okay, it has nothing to do with what you think about what's going to happen with the coin. All right, it has nothing to do with nothing. None of these coins have nothing to do with nothing, and has nothing to do with if it's going to save the world or not. You have to understand this is a market. Prices go up, prices go down. This is why it's very important to learn how to read the chart, because you can see, right, that, man, you know what? Right now is not the time to invest hard, okay, in XRP right now. Let me see here. Do you expect BTC dropping? Do you expect that BTC is dropping now as fast as the previous drops? For the UTC. You said, is it dropping as fast as the last previous ones? It's not dropping as fast as the last previous one. I mean, this one we had a major sell-off, but it doesn't really have to drop as fast as the previous ones. Right now, you can tell that the behavior of this chart is changing, and it looks like they want to continue to sell off more. So it is what it is. We just have to find support somewhere. Hit those like buttons, guys. Hit those likes. Let me see here. Take profits. Yes, take profits. That's the name of the game. $11.06. Do you offer a course that teaches both crypto and stocks? Do you send buy and sell targets for both? Finally, do you help us one-on-one with trades? Much love and respect. So basically, I have a course that deals with the futures market. All right, I day trade futures market during the day. That course will help you understand how to make money daily. Okay, and also I have the crypto market course. That course is mainly for swing trading, the crypto market. All right, so for all you guys that have a 9-to-5, you have no excuses. You can still make money from these markets. This is the live stream discount right here. Do I give buy and sell signals? No. If I did, you have to pay more, or a monthly fee. So these courses are right now, as we speak, are just one price. You're a lifetime member, and that's it. Do I do one-on-one? It all depends on if you can afford the one-on-one. But lately, I don't, I haven't been doing one-on-one. I don't remember last time I did a one-on-one. So right now, no one really approached me to do a one-on-one right now, but it all depends on the person. Let me see here. Swazza, I got Ben's course about 10 months ago, bro. I'm now trading full time. That's how powerful Ben's courses are. A complete life changer, man. Shout out to you, Swazza. Let me give him a round of applause because he's right. He's trading right now full time. And he's making money, right? Most of you guys can't really understand what's going on or how that's possible. And if you continue to listen to YouTubers that's telling you Bitcoin is going to 100K, then you will never understand how that's possible. Okay, because all you doing is banking on buying Bitcoin and hoping it goes to the moon. Right? I told you guys this before. Bitcoin doesn't have to do anything. Okay, Bitcoin could go to 3K or 2K and stay there for a long time. It doesn't have to go up. Why? Okay, Bitcoin has to continue to go up. Okay, there's no reason. None of these coins don't have to continue to go up, right? First of all, right now, cryptocurrencies, they need new users, right? You can tell that there are no new users right now in the crypto space. Right? How do you expect Bitcoin to hit 100K, $1 million like these other guys are saying, and we don't have new users? Okay? We don't even have probably even 20% of, what we had in 2017. All right? I know some of you guys don't want to hear that, but I'm here to give you guys another view on the markets, so you guys will wake up one day and realize there's another game out here, all right, where you can actually take advantage of these swings that's in the market, all right, and put money in your pocket and stop worrying about or hoping that one day your coin is going to shoot to a crazy number. It's about to be 2 years and 90% of you guys still didn't make money, okay? And it's about to be 2 years. I can't operate like that. I can't operate anything like that, right? 2 years without making money? Are you kidding me? So some of you guys need to wake up. Shout out to Swazza. He's one of those guys that woke up and say, hey, man, I want to make money now. All right? Anybody that tells you that they don't want to make money now, that guy or that girl is a liar. Everybody wants to make money now. Nobody wants to be broke. So why are you not studying and doing the things to figure out how to make money now? Because you're lazy. You want $1 million, but you don't want to put in the work. Bill Gates, all these billionaires, all right? Warren Buffett, all these guys are making money right now as we speak. Every single day they're making money. Every single day. They're not saying, oh, I'm going to wait for 20 years, or 5 years or 10 years now, and hope I'm gonna make money. No, they are making money right now every single day. So what is your excuse? I don't get it. We are living in an era where we can actually open up our laptops and make money. Opportunities are right in front of our faces, guys. But you still have an excuse talking about, oh, I don't have time. Bro, you do have time. Okay? If you have time to watch a YouTube video or type comments, you have time, bro. It don't take you that much time. Okay, you have to study. You have to, but once you put on a trade, it doesn't take you time at all, right? And you don't even have to risk money at first. You can just practice with fake money first. So most of you guys are full of excuses. Let's go to some questions and then we're going to wrap this up. Right now, Bitcoin is having problems around this area. Bitcoin has to find support and eventually go above this area if you want to see your coin go to the moon, right? Let's see if I see any questions right now. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see here. These huge doji candles on the weekly are signs of possible reversal. Yes, definitely a sign of a possible reversal. Okay, how far, we don't know. You better hope it doesn't go that far down. Butch said 1106. I have been studying Ben course for a couple of months now with a full steam. After I felt comfortable to trade, I have been heavily profitable. And there's still so much to learn, man. Shout out to you, one of my other students. Let me give him a round of applause. Honestly, guys, I don't get it. I don't get how you have the opportunity to make money. All right, we are at we are living in a world where you can open up a laptop and make money, and you're not taking advantage of that, right? Let me see here. I mean, these days people are making money any type of way. They are making money playing video games, playing online poker, playing, doing craziness, guys. And you still stuck. You haven't made money going on 2 years, and you still don't want to learn how to make money now because, you're lazy. Let me see. What's going on? Someone said ADA. What's going on here? What's going on with ADA? Let's see. ADA. Let's look at it. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom out. All right, so we have this level right here. Most likely is looking to break that level. Okay, and once we break it, we have to see if we can find that support. All right. You better hope that it can find support right here, because right now, as we speak, this looks real ugly. Because I'm gonna tell you why. Breakout at a resistance area right here, and it didn't go anywhere. Okay, it broke out right here, but it went straight down, and it's selling off like crazy right at that resistance level. So you better hope that you catch some type of support right here. Right? Let me see here. I'm serious. Consider joining, fam. Bro, like I said, I'm here for you, bro. I have the futures. Okay, if you get the futures, you get everything else. The futures in the crypto too. The crypto comes with the futures course. Comes with a Discord, so you will see my top students posting trades and charts. You will see me posting trades and charts during the day while the market is open. Okay, and you'll learn from my top students and me. All right. Let me see here. So as I said, I don't even trade crypto anymore. I trade futures market. Yeah, and that's very true. A lot of my crypto, actually, I would say 98% of my students came from the crypto world. And once they got a taste of that futures market, because like I said before, you can make money daily. Once they got a taste of that, honestly, it's very hard to go back. All right. Not too many people can actually make money daily from their laptops. Okay. Once you get a taste of that, it's very hard to go, to not focus on that. But you can still, swing trade crypto if you want. All right, let's go to these questions here. Is the best trader still in the game? I don't know, bro. I haven't seen that guy in a minute. I don't know where that guy is at. Let me see. Let me look at these questions here. Hey, what's going on, Dom? Good to see you here. I'm reading these comments, guys. Oh man, it's funny. So as I said, beware of these false prophets, and that's exactly that is 100% true. Everybody swears up and down they know where these coins are going to go. No one knows, guys. All right. I would love to tell you, man, Bitcoin is going to 100K. I would love to. Trust me, don't you think I would get more subscribers? I would get more customers, right? More people will buy my stuff. But I don't operate like that because deep down inside, I can't go to sleep at night lying to people like that. Like that doesn't really, it doesn't work in my world, right? I have to tell the truth, no matter if it hurts my YouTube channel, it hurts me, any type of way, right? I have to tell you, bro, I don't know where Bitcoin is going to go. All I'm seeing is we have resistance right here. This could be a possible top. If we continue to go down and down and down, this is not looking good. That's the only thing I can tell you, right? Bitcoin has to find support somewhere. If it doesn't find support, right, you better start biting your nails, right? The only way you can actually get out of this mess is learn how to read the charts. I sleep good at night because I know what I'm doing, all right? It's very hard. I was looking at one of my old videos, and I actually played a clip of Michael Jordan, right? And he was talking about the fear of failure, and he said that he didn't really care about failing because he practiced his butt off every single day. So he said once you understand something and you practice a lot and you know what you're doing, that fear goes away. And it's so true because like a lot of people that's buying this right now are, seeing prices going down and they get scared, right? But once you understand the charts and understand how things work, that fear factor, I'm not saying it's going to be completely gone because we still have emotions. But it's not going to be the same. You can look at the chart and say, okay, I see what's going on. All right, let me prepare for this now. Okay, let me do this. Let me look at the chart and make sure that I have permission to add on or buy at this level, whatever the case is. Okay, it's not, oh my gosh, Bitcoin's dropping or these other cryptos are dropping. I don't know what to do. They said they print 5 billion tether. What do you think? Is it going to crash? Oh my gosh, right? That's how most crypto investors are operating, in fear, because they don't know. When you don't know something, you always operate in fear, right? The calmest guys in the room, guys, the calmest guys in the room are the guys that know how to deal with situations. That's why your boss probably gets paid more than you, not because he's smarter than you, because he knows how to operate when things go south. Everybody usually panics when things go south or crazy, right? When things hit the fan. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do, right? The people that are calm are the guys that will always be successful. All right, so let me see here before I get out of here. Yeah, how much time? I'm 50 minutes in. All right, so let me see here. I don't have XRP. Okay. What's going on, Brandon? Good to see you here. You said you're glad you took your BTC profits at 13K. Wouldn't have done if I didn't have your courses, man. Shout out to you, Brandon. You know, I love it. I love when people take profits because, guys, when you take profits, you can always get back in. This is not like, you know, Bitcoin is going to go straight up without any pullbacks. It will always have pullbacks. Show me one chart that doesn't have pullback. I would quit right now. Every chart has pullbacks, all right? So you can take profits. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. And taking profits will build your confidence up. And not only build your confidence up, it will build your bank account, right? All right, so let me go to these questions. Hey, Mike, what's going on, bro? Thanks for your patience. Got your course downloaded last night. Waiting till you're done here to watch it. Okay, shout out to you. Mike is actually one of my new students. Oh, got the new course, I mean. Let me see here. Ben, I just sent you a screenshot of my BTC short, which is going as we speak. You can show the that to those who doubt your course. This is the real money. So is it? Did you? Oh, it's my email. Okay, let me see if I see my email real quick. Let me check my email. And while we checking the email, I gotta get. While we checking the email, I'm going to, because for some reason I didn't bring. I forgot to bring my I forgot to bring my my charger. All right, so let me see if I see this email. While I'm checking this email, let me see these other questions here. I think the government will use blockchain tech, but they will never use a common folk. They will never let a common folk just buy coins and become millionaires. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. And Butch, I just opened your email, Butch. I think you forgot to attach the picture, because I don't see the picture on this. I don't see the picture on this, Butch. I see your email, but I don't see any pictures at all. So maybe you forgot to attach the picture. But let me give Brandon that bomb button, because he says something that is very true. All right, I don't speak too much about that on my channel, but let me give him that bomb button, because that was fire right there. All right, that was fire. So what we're going to do is we are going to talk a little bit more about that. But right now, what I'm going to do is just give me 2 seconds. I have to plug in my laptop because the battery is getting low. Just give me 2 seconds. All right, on back. Had to get this plug. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. We'll plug this up. All right, so let's touch on that. So Brandon said basically the government will never let the common folk just become millionaires. And we talked about this before, okay? I know some of you guys don't want to hear this, but, let's talk about that. So basically, you have a lot of people saying that Bitcoin will hit 100K, $1 million. Guys, just think about this for a second. If Bitcoin hits $1 million, guys, don't you know how much money a lot of people will have, right? Some guys will be trillionaires, billionaires. So do you really think the government will allow that, right? It's not going to happen, all right? So you have to be careful who you listen to on YouTube because they love to hype things up, make it sound all nice because they want more subscribers. They know that most people don't understand this world because most people that have cryptocurrencies, they don't know about the financial world. So they will believe anything that most people will say. Okay, but if Bitcoin hits 100K, if it hits $1 million, these other coins will go up drastically, right? These other coins will go up a lot. And these other coins will make people billionaires, right? The average Joe would become a billionaire. Do you really think the government, and it's not just the U.S. government, all right? It's these third world countries too, right? Because some people, people from the third world countries, they bought cryptocurrencies. Do you really think those third world countries are going to say, hey, man, I'm going to let an average person that I've been making these guys starve for years, I'm just going to automatically let them become billionaires? No, come on. But like I said before, the reason why I don't talk too much about that on my channel is because most people, they just can't, they can't understand certain things. They think you're talking negative, and they really can't, they can't picture it because they've been brainwashed by a lot of these YouTubers that have been saying this for day one. So if I say something like that, automatically they're gonna say, "Oh, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about." So sometimes I really don't want to go back and forth with that nonsense. But that's true though. Shout out to Brandon, that's true. Let me see if I see any questions or anything here. RJ said RJ's a racist. Okay, RJ's a racist, so we definitely gonna get him out of here. Right? Are you racist or what? He said your chart looks basic. Black man in crypto. I don't know if you're trying to be, But relax with all that, So let me see, Butch. Did you resend that email, Butch? All right, so Butch, let me see if I can actually get this. Alrighty, so let me see if I can show you guys this real quick. All right. So Butch want me to show you guys his profit. And Butch is actually one of my students. He wanted to let you guys know what he been doing and how he been taking advantage of the course and how he been making money. So I'm looking to show you guys the profit, right? The P&L, everything. Hold on, just give me a second. Let me see if I can bring this up. So Butch, actually one of my students, he wants to show you guys that this stuff works. Let me show you right quick. Hold on. Let me see. I think this is it. Hold on. Sheesh. I think this is it. Hold on. Just give me a second. Might be it right here. Nope. This is not it. Hold on, guys. Just give me a second, guys. I'm coming right now. I'm trying to show you this. Hold on. Actually, let me bring this back up to. Let me bring this. Let me bring this back to the Chrome. All right. Let me bring this back to here, and let me show you. Hold on. Just give me a second, guys. All righty. And guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Let me bring this picture up real quick. And shout out to everybody that's new that's watching this live stream. I appreciate everybody that's new watching this live stream right now. You guys, if you want to learn how to understand how a guy like me is able to do this full time, okay, hit that subscribe button right now. So we're going to look at one of my students. He wants to show you guys his short, and I'm trying to show you guys right now. Just give me a second. Right, I'll show you right now. All right, here it goes right here, guys. Right? I don't think you guys can see it. Hold on. Can you see it? Hold on. For some reason, you guys probably can't see it. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on, guys. Let's see if you can see it now. Nope. So I have to bring it right back to. Just give me a second. I will definitely get it. I'm gonna have to screenshot this thing. Hold on, guys. For some reason, I don't know why the thing is not showing this. All right, I just gotta get the. In the meantime, you guys have questions, type it in, all right? And we're going to get this going right here. All right, so let me see if I can actually. copy and paste this right here. All right, so you should be able to see it right here, right? That's one of my students. He wants to show you his profit that he's making. Hold on. He wants to show you guys the profit that he's making from his short. Okay. Unrealized P&L, you see it right there, up 200 and pretty much close to 300% on his short. Learning the techniques and learning how to make money now from the markets. All right. He's one of my students that has my program. He just sent me this email, so he wanted me to show you guys his profit. Okay. Shout out to Butch for that. Now, let's go back to these questions, and I want to see if you guys have new questions before we wrap the show up. But let's see here. The crypto YouTubers want views. They went back to the end. Yes, man. Exactly, bro. That's all they want is views. That's it. They don't care about helping the people. They don't care about being honest. They will say anything. I remember hearing one guy said that Bitcoin is going to $5 million. I'm like, I mean, first you say 100K, then you say 1 million. Now you're going to say 5 million? Come on, guys. Sheesh. And then the problem is a lot of people will believe that stuff. You see a lot of people saying that Bitcoin would never go below 10K. First of all, a lot of people said Bitcoin would never go below 6K again. Hey, what's going on, Bobby? They offer us the illusion of gaining wealth. Yes, exactly. What's going on? Who knew? I don't know where you been at, bro. Exactly. You don't become a millionaire without hard work. Okay, because crypto is a good market. Okay, you can make some good gains, but those days where you buy something and you become a millionaire overnight, those days are, that happened 10 years ago. Okay, right now we are at a peak where the market probably wants to pull back more. Right, so you can't really go based on what these guys are saying. Okay, and you can't just say that since Bitcoin been going up the last 10 years, it will continue to go up. You can't say things like that. You did multiple successful longs when it did. Okay, shout out to you, bro. So Butch actually did some longs and some shorts. Let me give Butch that ka-ching button, right? Ka-ching. Give him that flex bomb real quick. Right. Guys, this is a guy right here. He's one of my students. He wanted to show you guys his profit. A guy that said, you know what? I'm tired of being a slave to the news, being a slave to these crazy YouTubers that's always trying to give me hope. All right. I'm tired of hodling, and it's going on 2 years and I still didn't make any money. Let me, do things my way. Let me be in control, okay? Because when you are a trader, you are in control. You are in the driving seat. Why? Because you can take profits whenever you want. You can make money whenever you want. You call the shots. You're not a slave to the news and hoping that XRP puts out a new, something new when it comes to news, right? You had to hope that XRP works out and these banks will accept XRP, whatever the case is. Bro, when you are a trader, you don't care about none of that stuff because you're looking at the chart, you're looking at the waves of the market, you're looking at these short-term moves, and you're taking advantage of these short-term moves. You're putting money in your pocket, right? That's a guy that said, you know what, I'm done. All right, I want to make money now. I want to make money now. That's what he said. Most of you guys, I want to wait 5-10 years. I hope, Bitcoin goes up. I don't mind waiting 5-10 years. Meanwhile, there's money right in front of your face because you're too lazy. All right? These YouTubers are brainwashing you. I could do the same thing if I wanted to, but it doesn't make any sense to me when I know the truth. Right? So let me see if I see any more questions. Let me see here. I'm reading these questions here. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, congrats on that, Butch, man. Making that money, bro. I love it. I love when my students make money. I love when anybody makes money, period. Okay? We are all stuck in this crazy matrix, and the only way to escape it somehow is actually to make money and get back your freedom, all right? Because all the matrix is just basically them trying to suck your freedom, of course, suck your mind, it's extra stuff, but for the most part, they're trying to suck your freedom, right? And in order to battle that, you have to be able to make enough money so they won't suck your freedom. In order to get back your freedom and buy back your freedom, you have to make enough money. That's the only way you can get out this matrix, okay? Of course, you can't get out the matrix 100%. You could get out 100% mentally, okay? Mentally. But, overall, you can't get out of the matrix 100% because, right now these guys are very powerful, okay? So you have a social security number, right? You have, a driver's license, an address. All that stuff is connected. So you can never 100% get out, but mentally you can get out, and financially it will help you buy back your freedom, right? Because right now they're robbing you and taking your freedom right now, right? The only way you get out that is you have to build skills. Money making, guys, is all about skills. This is why people get paid the big bucks. It's because they have skills, right? Your lawyer or a good lawyer get paid the big bucks because he have skills. LeBron James or Steph Curry, these guys get paid big bucks because they have skills. Okay? The reason why I could trade full time and make thousands of dollars per day is because I have skills, right? Stop being lazy. Stop having excuses. I don't really care. I don't care if you have kids or you claim you don't have time. Bro, you have time. Trust me. You're watching this video, you have time, right? Let's go to more questions, and we are going to wrap this up soon. And we're going to do a quick recap real quick. All right? So let's do a quick recap. So we was trying to explain that Bitcoin is making a dangerous pattern, which is the double top at resistance, right? So we have to hope that we find support somewhere, trend line, I don't care where it's at. It has to find some type of support. If it doesn't, most likely will continue to go lower and lower and lower. You don't want it to go lower, okay? I know some of your favorite YouTubers will tell you go all in if it goes to 4K or 3K. Do not, guys, put it like this, guys. Let's look at this, all right? Let's just look at this and be realistic and be honest with yourself, right? If Bitcoin went up this high, right? You see how Bitcoin went up, and it pulls back 80% or even 90%. Hold on, I did that wrong. Right? Let me go back. It pulls back 80%. Right? Guys, you're telling me that this looks good. We gave back 80%. Does that look good? No, that doesn't look good. All right. So you better hope that Bitcoin can find support somewhere. You don't want it to go this low. You don't. Forget about these other YouTubers. They're not putting money in your pocket. They're not paying your bills, right? You do not want Bitcoin to go this low. Trust me. That's not a good sign. Right? Learn how to read the charts, build your skills so you can understand how to make money now. Right, guys? We are living in a world where we can access the internet, go online, and make money. You're telling me that you're not going to at least try to figure out how to take advantage of these opportunities? Some of you guys don't even try, bro. All you say is, "Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm a long-term holder." Like, bro, what are you talking about? Bro, you're not even trying. You don't even want to look into it. You don't want to even practice or try, bro. Like, it doesn't even cost you any money to practice or even open up a demo account and trade fake money. It doesn't even cost you anything. Because, some of you guys, I believe, will regret this later down the road. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right here, guys. Double top, selling off. Sellers is coming here. We might have a red week. Coming up. Be careful. If we have another red week coming up, most likely we probably can hit the 8,000s, 8,900. We'll see. We'll see. So I don't know if they want to chop around. There's a possibility too. That's a possibility. Bitcoin wants to chop around before it goes down lower. All right. That's another possibility. We can maybe see more consolidation before it wants to go a little lower. So keep that in mind. Right. So don't get don't get too happy. Just take this day by day. Learn how to read the charts and go from there. If you want that live stream discount, make sure you get that now before I get off the live stream. I usually give you guys an hour after the live stream. Check that out. If you want to learn how to make money now in the markets, no matter if Bitcoin is going up or down. I have a day trading course too. If you don't see that link, you can email me. You'll get that link too. Talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Me personally, I had a good weekend, and I'm just waiting for Monday so I can trade. All right, here. Let me look at these questions before I get out of here. If I see any more questions. Bro, I think it would you would be good at it. Whole different ball game. Yeah, man. Um, whole different ball game. Let me see here. You said Bush said I can't get it over my head how these guys have 100K subscribers. I know, right? And they talk crap. Read the news. I know, bro. I feel you, bro. In here, you know, I can't even crack 10K. Okay? But it's all good. You know why? Because I already, like, you know, God is blessing me. I'm meeting some, you know, good people. Like a lot of, I would say most of my students are great people. So I'm meeting some good people in the space. You know, I already did my work. Okay, I already bust my butt, and I gained enough skills to make money full time from home. So I really have nothing to complain about. So I'm not really going to complain about, you know, having more subscribers. I mean, God has blessed me enough, so I'm not going to complain. But overall, you know, I'm helping out people that I know for a fact that if they didn't find me, there's no way in the world that they would probably be looking at trading or looking to trade full time or something like that, right? So I'm just glad I'm helping you guys out and meeting people. And, you know, overall, I can't complain. But yeah, I don't understand how some of these guys can have so many subscribers. They don't say nothing. They just say, hey, man, we just going to the moon. That's all they say. I mean, if you want to be technical. They don't try to tell you to or try to motivate you to be a full-time trader or investor to make money from this full-time, okay? All they want you to do is hold for the next 10 years, 20 years. Bro, I don't care about none of that stuff, man. I want you to make money now. Let's make money right now. Let me see if I see questions here. Butch said, that's my next step. I'm still working part-time at the moment. But my first goal is to quit, and you don't want to be a slave. You want to do this full-time, man. Shout out to you, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it, bro. $10K is a very important level. Yeah, if it won't hold, a lot of people will get crazy. Yeah, it's definitely an important level. You said the market goes in cycle. Don't be emotional attached to the money that you can't. Yeah, well, that is true. Okay, but at the same time, you have to understand that if you're dealing with a market where most people are telling you is 100% guaranteed Bitcoin will go to 100K, $1 million. Some people would do things that it's not right, okay, but they would go all in. And they will believe you because you have 100K subscribers. All right. You said you're waiting for if it doesn't, if 100, you said if 1,800 Bitcoin doesn't come by October, you're gonna buy Bitcoin. I don't think that's the right move. I think you should learn how to read the chart, bro. I don't think you should just wait for a specific month. All right, learn how to read a chart, and then you go from there, bro. Because when you buy it in October, that could be the month where it goes to $1,000. So you can't say by October if it doesn't go below a certain amount. I'm gonna buy. That could be the month where everything just go down. Let me see here. You said I would get more subscribers during a bull market. Right now, a lot of people believe that this is the bull market. So I don't know about that, but like I said, right now it's all good. I'm not, not sweating it. Bobby said, "Thank goodness I found Ben, and I unsubscribed to these moon boys." So as the real Nas is always hidden and hard to find, man. Shout out to you, bro. What trading accounts I need to get in on that side? I looked at BitMEX, but I'm in the US. You can use Hugo's Way, the rawness. Hugo's. It's a FX account. So you basically trading. You having a forex broker. You trading that, and you can short. Also, you can short Bitcoin. Once you get the course, you will see everything. But you can email me if you want more information. And here's the course right here. Here's a link to the course. Live stream discount. The masses are brainwashed. Yeah, exactly. How about a quick recap on a total market cap? Is this something to keep an eye on? No, it's nothing to keep an eye on the market cap. I don't really care about the market cap right now. The dominance is actually growing right now, so most likely we will continue to probably hit 70. But the market cap, I mean, it's below the 300 billion mark. Right now, I'm not really worried about that yet. Don't care about that market cap yet. You should see how brainwashed all these 6 million people in Finland are. It's just sad. Yeah, man. It is sad, bro. All right, guys. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys study, practice, do whatever it takes to get yourself out of the situation that you are in right now. Please don't believe that anything is impossible. Most of you guys think that it's impossible for a lot of things to happen when it comes to cryptos. Guys, anything can happen. Okay, we can sell off right here, continue to make new lows. I'm not saying that that's possible. I'm just saying that it could happen. Bitcoin has to find support and create a new high. Once we create a new high, we have to see if the buyers can actually keep that up. But right now, sellers are in the market, and I do expect Bitcoin to make another low past this low right here. So talk to you guys later. I didn't really mean to actually make a long video like this, but it is what it is. Have a great day. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys.